Hey guys, my name is Dennis Hubbard, CEO at Credit Firm Inc. And if you're seeing this video, then you've either made an appointment with us, congratulations, or you are thinking about it. So I'm going to help you take you on over the top here. Maybe you're kind of shopping around, seeing what your options are. You're confused, you're apprehensive. Hey, what are we going to, they're trying to set up this consultation with us. Is it going to be a big sales presentation? And I'm going to assure you, out of these lips, that is not what this is. This is going to reveal so many things, and we're going to talk about that. But first, I want to make this clear. We are not, quote unquote, a credit repair company or a debt settlement company or a company that adds a bunch of trade lines. Those seem to be the big three industries that are out there, and none of them work by themselves. However, we are experts in all categories. Credit repair tactics that worked pretty good, 5-10 years ago, not the case anymore. Too many things have changed. And unless you're getting the right derogatory off and enough of the derogatory, the scores are simply not going to move. We're going to show that to you. And then there's debt settlement companies. Guys, these guys are going to try to settle every debt that's on your credit, which, hey, sounds great. But listen, that can actually hurt your credit score. So we want to be very specific before we consider settling any bad debt in our past. And then adding trade lines. This seems to be a big buzz of, hey, we can do all these things to add trade line, even if that's Experian Boost or whatever the case is. This is not good. Adding too many trade lines and the wrong trade lines can actually hurt your credit score. But very specifically, we are going to be working around the credit scores that the lender uses. If you're looking to buy a home, if you're trying to buy a vehicle, if you're trying to refinance, if you're going to the local credit union for a loan, we want to base the plan off of that algorithm. And this is so important because many folks say it, they think it, and I don't blame them. They're like, well, if it helps my Credit Karma scores, it helps my Experian scores, well, it'll help my lender scores. And this is not true. Most of the advice that you are Googling or that you are given is based around the monitoring scores. This could be terrible advice because some of that the same solution there can absolutely drop the lender score. You're probably scratching your head why, and we're going to talk about that in the consultation, but I'll give you a little hint. Government will not okay any of the newer algorithms. So we're all stuck with a outdated FICO algorithm model that the lenders are forced to use that simply doesn't do what it was supposed to do. And this is by far why so many people stay stuck. They can't seem to get ahead when it comes to credit. We're going to talk about that in detail, but more specifically, we're going to talk about your goals, your timeline, your budget. We're going to pull the real scores. We're going to run simulations. We have simulators that are calibrated that I can do any variable, that are calibrated with that algorithm. And we're not going to guess. We're going to be able to tell you, okay, this is what we can get you to, this is how long it's going to take, and here's the game plan on what to do. We'll pull out our bag of tools, and then, oh yeah, we need to add an authorized user, or you know what, maybe because your deadline, we need to consider a pay for deletion or a settlement on this. Oh, we don't have a terrible deadline, well then let's use these methods to get those things off, and then we're going to show you what to do, how to do, and all those things. We only get paid if you want us to do it for you. As simple as that. But before you do this yourself, before you consider credit repair, debt settlement, or adding a bunch of trade lines, and before you do anything, at least do the consultation. I promise you it'll bless you. So call and get that appointment in, and we look forward to seeing you. Look forward to serving you. Talk to you soon.